What's going on, guys? Sacred Black Sheep with another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Earth Warriors Oracle, Rise of the Soul Tribe of Sacred Guardians and Inspired Visionaries by Alana Fairchild. Let's see. Earth Warrior. These are published by Blue Angel. Of course, I end up getting these off of Amazon. Start taking off wrapping now. All right, so it says 44 card guidebook set, artwork by Isabel Brena. A new world is being born. It is found upon love and higher consciousness. Instead of fear, hate, and greed, the new world is gaining ground, becoming stronger, yet it also needs its protectors during this precious and important time of birth. Earth Warriors are the guardians, guides, and wayshowers of the world, inspiring its peoples to prosper and thrive in harmony with the wisdom of life. Defying conventions and living from the heart, Earth Warriors urge the human race forward with enormous positive energy and a passionate desire for meaningful contributions and sacred purpose. Willing to shake things up for the right cause, the Earth Warrior brings truth out of darkness when others who trade in fear would wish to keep it hidden. Earth Warriors are the wise, wild ones, cracking open mainstream consciousness with their loving awareness of freedom and grace. They are the bright lights, the holy hustlers, the creative visionaries, and the sacred guardians of the soul. Earth Warriors Oracle taps into the universal tribal wisdom and pure spiritual guidance to empower your soul with courage and optimism, to discover the Earth Warrior within and fulfill its sacred purpose. Look at that. So yeah, in my spiritual awakening or my spiritual ascension, I'm slowly finding things about myself. And Earth Angel is something that I seem to resonate with a lot more. So when I saw these, I'm just like, oh yeah, well, that can really, really help with me being an Earth Angel, trying to help the collective soul-wise. And what better way is to get them into their soul tribes? So we see the first card is Ho Ho, the beauty way of the Navajo. I'm working on a better setup with this stand and this tripod, but I'm not going to get, of course, too into the guidebook. Because it's just for me to study these and then give you the messages later. No colors to it, but very detailed. This is not my first deck that I bought from Alana Fairchild. I think the Sacred Rebels deck is my very first oracles that I got from her. Actually, I ended up buying it twice because I ended up gifting the first one to somebody. Do they still use it? I don't even know if they're even into tarot anymore, or it's probably just a fad to them. Oh, Lightworker Oracles. Alrighty, let's get into the flip. Oh wait, before I even do that, I want to know, do they break down the names? Because this seems like some Native American pronunciations, and I do not have the tongue for that, especially if you don't have the actual, how to break it down. Nope. Sorry about that. My phone overheated and it kind of stopped on me. But let's get into the flip. We have one, Ho Ho or Hozo, the beauty way of the Navajo. S10 He turquoise changing woman. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I would love something like that and have the jacket with the wings. Oh wow. Talk about like Falcon and the Winter Soldier, right? Totemic Puma, Power Awakening. Goddess of Teotihuacan. She guards the waters of life. And I also bought some Earth Oracles, I believe. 5 Circle Cross of Tenen, a rare intersection of heaven and earth. Oh wow. Why he giving me like Michael Jackson vibes? But I think I ordered the Sacred Earth Sites or something like that. And they're going to be coming in soon. Pahilk Mana, medicine of the butterfly Machina. Ah, there we go. But I feel like with those cards and these oracles, they may help with the tribe and places for certain individuals. Lene, what must be shall be. Ooh, and this is by Alana Fairchild. With this card and with the Sacred Rebels deck, it's the what you want you. Kind of reminds me of this, or what wants to be, the word wants to be written. I feel like that would really like solidify whatever it is or clarify it better. Aluka Vahini, she who rides the owls brings justice. Ooh, yes. 8, Infinity and Beyond. 9, the blessing of Kumu. No good thing shall be withheld. Oh wow. And again, like looking at these cards, right? Just getting into tarot in general, like, oh wow. Number 10, Katiki, guardian of Papatunuku. But like, it's just, again, cards with pictures on it. 2 people came together to create this. Ayana, vision, way of the divine feminine revealed. Amuta, sage of higher knowledge. But they're just cards with pictures on it, and they you know, pictures have 1,000 words. 13, eggshell, medicine of the rainbow jaguar. Oh wow. Oh no, I'm thinking just the jaguar. I think his name was the Jaguar Warrior, and the Rising Phoenix, or the Phoenix Rising cards, or the Phoenix cards. Clan of the Wolfheart. Ooh, I like how special this one is, all sideways. We are the ones we've been waiting for. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's hope this card comes out when I flip, when I shuffle at the end. 15, Ajna Durga, power of the good. I look her third eye. In my mind's eye, I seen you pour, what is that? Milk in the cup. 16, Lolo, stand in the light. 17, Padma, Sundari, out of darkness, the light is born. Beautiful. beautiful. Oh, wow. Kunter Yak 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 Yaka or Yak Yach Yaka. Blessings from the sun and Hannah Pacha. I really need to like learn how to pronounce these. I feel like the edges are bent, or maybe that's just the marking. Chicana, time to cross the threshold. Oh, progression. Or that's like it's close to Wheel of Fortune, but no. This is like death, maybe. It's like ending and new beginning. I mean, there's like a couple cards like that. That could be the world, honestly. 20. Ska, right? Or it's gonna be Cheska. Cause I feel like that apostrophe makes a difference. Cause you can be like Chaska, but I feel like it's Chesk. Whatever. Star of Venus. That's not whatever, but I need to learn how to be more, you know, proper with these names. These are soul tribes. 21. Dariri, hearing truth. Ngonyama, honor of the ancient king. Oh wow, that's definitely big Leo energy, if you know what I mean. Masculine energy. Abuela medicine, remedy of the grandmothers. Peo, guardian of the Almakua. Sorry about that, guys. Storage issues. But Pio, guardian of the Amukua. $25. Aloha Ki Akua, blessing of the Supreme Being. Amaru, the beautiful place. Oh wow, that is a beautiful place. Let me hurry up and flip through before this camera cuts off on me again. Pano Pano, immeasurable power of the heavy way. Quinte, sweet paradox of empowering grace. Nana Buluku, she rests to create. Panthera, the precious and rare. Elhaz, divine might foretold. Pacha, Karmak, nourishment of the soul. Excuse me. Intikhana, child of the light. Alakawa, spirit of the warrior. Mamakila, mandala of the moon. Mayu, Soma from the galactic heart. Diamond Tiger of the Black Moon. Second chance brings success. That's crazy. I was just looking at the tiger before I started this video. Pachamama. Pachamama. There we go. She with the Adine Emerald Heart. There's that emerald. That heart chakra, right? Anka, kin of the Red Hawk tribe. Hiaka, sorceress of light. Medicine horse, progress on the path. Kanyini, in each other we find ourselves. I like that. Verachaka. Oh, wow. Honor the light. There's a song inspired by him, right? I think it's in French though. White buffalo woman. Why she gotta be white though? So no, let me stop. Hopeful heart, see her sign. All right, that's all 44. Now it's time to take a shuffle. Let's see what we get. So now I gotta stitch 3 videos together of this. All right. These are pretty big. I just want one fallout, please. There we go. It's like, is nothing going to come out? So Mama Kila, Mandala of the Moon. And at the bottom, we have Totemic Puma, Power Awakening. Ooh, sexy. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Earth Warrior oracles, and how if you did purchase these deck, if you did purchase this deck, how has this been helpful in your life? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and y'all have a good one. Take care.